2009 Chevy Silverado, Texas edition, 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on this beautiful truck. Factory converter there, and right there, and right there. So it's got the dreaded third cat, but it's okay. He didn't want it too loud. We put a FLOWMASTER Super 10 right there, and did a side exit, as you guys can see, out the side into a FLOWMASTER double wall tip out the back, out the side, right there. You can see the FLOWMASTER on top. I don't know you guys, yeah, I'll show it to you guys when we bring it down. There it is, so it's got a side exit. We'll let you guys hear it in a second, and like always guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. That sounds good. You can't see it from here, but let you guys hear the sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 100. Again. There's the muffler and tailpipe we cut off of it. That was original. And that's what he wanted at idle. He didn't want it too loud. That's clean. You can still hear the head something. But if you guys want it louder, we got to change that cat to a high flow cat. Let us know in the comments what you guys hear. What you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Silverado with FLOWMASTER Super 10 out the side. Got a nice idle to it too.